In this video we are going to explain you how to use your admin area. Instructions for using the online webinar management system script. Follow these step-by-step instructions to understand how your site works. Admin settings. Here you will decide how your program will run. GDPR settings. Do you want to enable it by default or not? Enabling it will show a small fixed bar at bottom of page to ask user to allow cookies. Mailer settings. Select the type of mailer you want to use, regular PHP mailer or advanced SMTP mailer. Click here to know more about how to set up Google reCAPTCHA v2 API key. Enter the banner advertisement selling price. Enter your payment processor's details below. If you don't want to use any of these payment processors, then just use 0 for that. You can use this section to put your site in maintenance mode, and in this period, only admin will be able to access the admin area. All other features will be disabled. If you want to send a confirmation email to verify the user email address, to avoid invalid email addresses, then select Yes for the email confirmation required option, otherwise select No. If you want to send an email to a sponsor to notify them that they have a new referral, then select Yes and Send Referral Notification Email option, otherwise select No. Manage your pages. Here you can manage your pages like Home, FAQ, Login, etc., and add new pages to your system. File Manager. Here you can upload new files or delete the previous uploaded files. Top menu links. Here you can manage your top menu links. Footer section. Here you can manage your site footer links and other information. Members area menu links. Here you can manage your members area menu links. Generate database backup. This section will let you take database backup from admin area itself. Update system. Here you can find the list of updates that are available for your system. System information. Here you can find the basic information about your server. Send push notifications. Push notifications allow you to stay connected with all desktop and mobile app users with great ease to provide your customers with the best experience so that they can choose your services over and over again. Feedback and exit surveys. Take advantage of real-time data collection via digital surveys, and see your business bloom with real-time reports and unlimited data. List management service. Easily manage your list without using your own server resources to do mailing to your members. Mobile app. Powerful web-based app builder tool for your business, that will allow you to turn your website into a seamless, user-friendly Android app. Email validation service. EmailCourt is a web application that can verify if an email address is real or fake. You can validate the email addresses of new members joining your website using EmailCourt API. Contests. Contest Conclave is a web application that can allow you to incentivize your website with various contests to increase traffic flow and win cash and prizes while promoting contests to your members at your website. Analytics. Keep track of your website traffic. Members list. Search members. From here you can view, edit, delete the members' records. Active members. Pending members. From here you can view, edit, delete the members of a particular category who are at active membership status or pending membership status. Top sponsors. Here you can find the list of top 100 members who have referred the maximum number of members to your site. Email users. Use this section for updating your members through email. Message history. Here you can view all the messages sent by you in the past. Approved banners. This section lets you track the banners submitted by members, and you can track the details of each banner. Pending banners. This section will show you the list of all pending banners, and you can approve them after checking the contents. Add webinar. This section will allow you to add your webinar in the system. Active webinars. This section lets you track the details of all active webinars. Inactive webinars. This section lets you track the details of all inactive webinars. Pending. This section will show the list of all pending payments, and you can approve them after verifying the payment. Completed. This section lets you track all completed payments. Rejected. This section lets you track all rejected payments. Log out. Thanks for watching this video.